A lot of companies use LinkSquares as their contract management system, and one of those companies is actually LinkSquares. Yeah, us. And it's not just our legal team that uses it. Every department here leverages the platform to make their jobs a little easier. This video that you're currently watching, we used LinkSquares to draft contracts for our crew. See? Hey. LinkSquares moves fast, and the legal team has to keep up. With our contracts centralized in LinkSquares, we only need seconds to respond to requests.
From logo usage rights from the marketing team or requests for renewal dates from our finance department, our legal team does not slow people down.
For our sales team, it's all about visibility and speed. The LinkSquares Salesforce integration allows our sales team to initiate and track the process of all their contracts in their favorite tool.
Then they're able to closely track the agreement progress without bombarding legal with emails and meeting request messages.
In finance, we need to know exactly who to pay, who's paying us, and when everything is due.
That's why we keep every vendor and customer agreement centralized and searchable in LinkSquares. And with our agreement hierarchies, we're never left wondering what the current payment terms are. It's all front and center.
As CEO, I take lead on all our financing routes, and we use LinkSquares to make the process as easy as possible.
With every contract fully centralized and reportable, we're able to immediately populate data rooms and easily produce any reports our investors needed.
On the IT team, we complete dozens of comprehensive security questionnaires a month. That's thousands of individual questions. And we do it all in LinkSquares.
It lets us consolidate our answers, attach supporting documents, and keep the requester looped in. Anytime you see a LinkSquares ad or find us at an event, you can bet there were a bunch of contracts created behind the scenes, all with LinkSquares.
We can trust that our legal team is able to get it done on time and smoothly. With LinkSquares, we can trust that we can set it and forget it.
When it comes to procurement, we need the process super streamlined to make sure everyone has what they need when they need it. LinkSquares lets us self-service our MSAs so we can get things ordered quickly and easily.
We hired over 250 new employees last year.
By using our finalized templates, we're able to add in names, dates, and salaries and send out our offer letters in minutes.
LinkSquares runs on LinkSquares. It's helped our whole legal team stay organized, move faster, and be more nimble. Without it, we wouldn't be where we are today.
So book a demo and see how you can work, grow, and manage contracts like we do by using LinkSquares.